All right, guys, and we are live. So we only have 30 more seconds until the market opens. As of right now, it's 9:29. So we have, like I said, 30 more seconds. So far, everything in my portfolio has been pretty red, um, pre-market. But let's hope and see that the market turns out pretty good. And then also, before I even get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and then just in case you do forget, uh, do this, that, like, and then subscribe right here. But all right, and then also if you want to join the Patreon, the link is right here, and you get a 7-day free trial. But all right, let's see. It looks like the market is open, so I'm actually up $373 as of right now. But let me take a look at the QQQ, see how that's doing. And I do have some put credit spreads on the QQQ, so I'm hoping it actually stays pretty high, which looks like it went up quite a bit, 0.35%, which is not too shabby. But it looks like my portfolio is went from one. Oh, it's actually going red. Let me check the Qs. The Qs are still doing pretty good. So, and give me 1 second. All right, there we go. All right, so refresh, because sometimes RevNet is a little bit dumb, and we're just gonna check to see how everything is doing this morning. So as you guys can see, I'm down a little bit. Let me see how my options are doing for these. So this one's actually going up quite a bit, 0.7. I don't know how the market's going to be doing this week. So I really don't know if I want to hang on to this one. But I will take a closer look at the Qs. But let's see how SPY is doing. SPY is up a little bit as well. It had like this big spike right here. But who knows if the market will keep that up. All right, so let's see how everything is doing. Let's check Tesla, because I saw Tesla go up a ton in the very beginning, and it still went from 286 to 288 basically. And then Nvidia's next. Nvidia's right here. Nvidia's actually looks like it's pulling down a little bit. I think I'm actually going to close this out because I really don't know what the market's going to do this week. And there are earnings for Tesla on, I think it's on Thursday. Dash 17. Let me see what kind of stocks. News. Is there images? Here we go. I think this is it. Here we go. So the big ones that I'm looking at for this week, we'll start off on Monday. Bank of America would probably be pretty big. Charles Schwab. So there's two. Goldman Sachs, because that's another big bank. Ally. Netflix, Tesla, of course, on Thursday. Oh, no, that's Wednesday. And then on Thursday, American Airlines. I think that's pretty much all of the big ones, and American Express, because there's like a super huge credit card company. But yeah, shouldn't be too bad. I don't know if I want to keep this open or not, just in case the market does come down. But the market does have to come down like 3%. At least that's what I checked last time. Hold on. Let me do the calculations. 367 divided by 380. So yeah, it has to come down like 3.4%, which I think that's super unlikely for it to do. But okay, we saw Nvidia, Tesla. Let me check Robinhood. Oh, and I also forgot about what's it called, PayPal, because actually PayPal. Because I did a leap on PayPal, and I really don't know if I want to keep it just in case I do lose some money. But right now I'm only down $140, but it is out until 12/19/2025, so we still have like 800 and something days to go. Really quick, let me double check that just to make sure that I am. And then trade options, 886. There we go. I have 886 days until this option expires. But we're up quite a bit on this one. We're up, how much was it? 1,000 and something. $1,020 on this contract. So let me see. The Qs. Alibaba, Coinbase, Mara. Let me actually check the stocks that I do own or want to own. So Alibaba's down quite a bit. I'm gonna have to roll this one to the right and down, which is honestly not that big of a deal. I did 3 of them, so I would have to do 3 of them. So it's 297 right now, so I would have to do this one and just. But the good thing is that I would get a net credit of $63, which, like I said, isn't that bad. So that's all good on that one. And then Coinbase, let me see how Coinbase is doing. It's down. It's only down a little bit. It's pretty much break even as of right now. And I also have been buying some Bitcoin, so I do have like a reoccurring investment every single week on Sundays. Right now, I'm only down like $10 on Bitcoin, which is honestly doesn't really matter. And then let me see what else. Target. It's actually down a little bit. I have to do some more like cash secured puts on Target. And let me see. Enphase. Let's see how Enphase is doing. Oh shoot. I really don't want Enphase to keep going up in the short term because I only have like this covered call on it. It's at 195 and the stock's already at 179. So if it keeps going higher, I'm probably gonna have to take a loss on it, which honestly, like not a loss, but what's it called? I won't get like all of the capital gains because I know it's probably gonna go way higher than 195. But we will have to wait and see until that day, until earnings come out. Hopefully, they're not that good, so I can keep my stock. But if it does keep going up, it's all good. So it looks like the Qs are going up. That one's only worth 6 cents now. Maybe I will try to sell it because right now I've gained a profit of $1,100. So that's super good, honestly. And let me see if there's any more stocks. Mara, I haven't checked Mara yet, so 16.5. This one's down only like 2%, which isn't that bad. Palantir, this one's past my covered calls, so I'm gonna have to roll this one to the right and up. Roll this position. So I have to pay 58. So I would have to do the $17 one, which I would get a $40 net credit, so it's all good. Let me see what else. I think that's pretty much all of the stocks, but let's see how Bitcoin's doing. So it looks like Bitcoin is pretty much like staying around this channel as of right now. And for the past month, I really wish I would have bought in this past month, but it's all good. Because we're gonna ride it all the way up to however much it goes up to. If it goes back to its highs of 60K, then honestly I would be way more than happy, to be honest. See it right here, didn't want to pass 60K, but 60K will be my target. So at least it'll hopefully double from here. So, and then I'm just gonna keep putting more money into it as it keeps going up, or if it keeps going down, I'll do the same thing as well. All right, looks like the Qs are coming down a little bit. 380. I think it's. I really want to just close this out, so then, just in case the market does have a pullback, because all I need is 3% for me to like lose money on it. 3.5%, but yeah. But all right, guys, I don't think I have anything else. I'll see you guys later on the live stream. I usually try to go live around 2 o'clock, so make sure you guys stay tuned in for that. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and hopefully you guys are buying some stock today. Stocks, because I put in $500 into my webull account, and so I'm gonna be buying some stocks on there later on. But all right, guys, peace out, and see you guys later. Thank you.